question adding to hers related to that is that I had called you and said that I felt that the ending felt like a surprise. So I'm sure you put thought into that.
It is really difficult to figure out how to end the novel well. To end it on a high note, an exciting note, but also finish the story. And what I did, so I'll just tell you an anecdote. Like my first novel, it ends on this kind of quite a crucial kind of moment where this person is trying to figure out who is, if that's a mother or not, well, that's a daughter or not, and it's kind of an open-ended ending. And I did this talk at a university up north called Jindal University, and it was a workshop actually. So there were students and faculty and all of that, and it was about 30 people in the room or something. And so we had this kind of impassioned discussion about the ending of the novel. And there was this one girl who kept asking me, it was like, what happened? And I was like, it's actually, I've left it open-ended for the reader. The reader has to make their own choice actually. It's not about what I say, what I had to say, I put in the book. And now it's up to the reader to figure out what they think happens at the end. She's like, okay, she understood that, and she's like, okay, cool. I understand what you're saying, that's fine. And then the session ends, and we walk off and all, and then she comes to me and is like, okay, but now will you tell me what actually happened? And so I just like, yeah. So it's really tough to tick all the boxes and all of that. And as Anandita said, she called me up after this one saying it ended too fast. But I think what happens with the novel especially is that you reach what you had to say about these characters, and then there's no point going on and on.